Hello and welcome back to my channel. Over the next several days, my husband and I are going to be getting ready and packing for our trip to Massachusetts. We're going to Massachusetts to spend Thanksgiving with his aunt, uncle, and cousins. We're only going for 4 days, so we're not going to need a lot of stuff, but I am always cold. The last few times I've been to Massachusetts, I have been freezing. I want to make sure that we pack enough warm stuff and everything that we'll need to feel comfortable. Let's get started. So the first thing that I did was make a packing list. I think I've mentioned this in other videos, but I never really start a packing list from scratch. I always use one from before for a similar time of year to just kind of guide myself through. What was kind of interesting this time was that I actually haven't traveled in like the winter time in several years. The one that I used was a little bit outdated, so I adjusted it to be more of the kind of products that I'm currently using and for a shorter trip. So this is my packing list. Basically just the clothes that we're going to need, all the shower and skincare stuff, things to entertain us because it is like 8 hours round trip by bus. Now that I have the packing list, I want to get started just gathering all of the things that I'm going to need to pack. So the next thing I'm going to do is take all of these that are not already in a small enough container that I would want to bring with me and put them in smaller, more travelable containers. These are not all of the products I'm bringing. The other ones already are in small enough or travel size bottles, but these are the ones that I need to try to make smaller. So once you combine with all of the travel size things I have, this is pretty much everything I need in terms of hygiene and skincare. I've got face wash, clindamycin, a tinted sunscreen, tretinoin, a serum, moisturizer, an eye cream, primer. I have dry shampoo, deodorants, 2 body washes because I'm just not sure if this small one is going to be enough and I would hate to run out, and my lip mask. Of course, I also have toothbrush and toothpaste. I don't know why I didn't think to include them here. Hey, it's the next day. I stopped filming yesterday because Jordan and I went out and hung out with a couple friends of ours, but now I need to get back into packing. So right now, I'm gonna try to pick out all of the clothes that I wanna bring on this trip. So I just finished grabbing all of my clothes. Because it's gonna be quite cold there, I grabbed some sweaters, jeans, some heat tech leggings because I know I'm gonna be cold. I also grabbed warmer socks, bras, undershirts, pajamas, a pajama sweater because again, it's cold. And then other than jackets, hats, and scarves, I think that this covers it for clothes. We're gonna take a break from packing. This week is Thanksgiving and my site is hosting a potluck tomorrow, so we're gonna make some pumpkin pie. Morning! We leave in about an hour and we need to finish packing. We couldn't wake up any earlier today because I went out with some friends and got pedicures last night, which was a lot of fun, but now a little bit stressful. So I need to finish packing my beauty stuff, my hygiene, some random bits and bobs. I need to fit it all into my luggage, and then I also need to fit in my backpack the different types of tech and things that I would want. Let's get started. Okay, we're fully packed. and we're ready to go, and we've got about 1 minute to spare. Thank you for coming along with my little chaotic pack with me. I don't know if that translates through the camera as much as the chaos that I was feeling inside. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.